Before reaching your home, the Thangka carries with it the spiritual energy of this sacred process. A cotton cloth is tightly stretched over a wooden frame. A mixture of white clay, glue, and water is applied in several layers. Then dried under the sun. Once dry, the surface is ground smooth and dried again in sunlight. This forms the foundation that allows the painting to be preserved for a long time. A careful sketch is drawn according to the precise proportions of Buddhist iconography. This is not merely an artistic choice. The figures of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas must strictly follow canonical standards. Natural pigments are used. Stones and minerals such as lapis lazuli, coral, ochre, and malachite are finely ground into the paint. After laying the base colors, details are gradually added layer by layer. Shading and highlights bring depth, radiance, and a sense of sacredness to the figures. Gold powder is mixed with glue and water to create gold paint. It is delicately applied to the ornaments, halos, and sacred parts of the deities. A finished Thangka is not just a work of art, but the manifestation of enlightened beings. In Buddhist tradition, the Thangka is considered not just a decoration, but the living presence of the Buddha. A Thangka is not merely a painting, but a vessel of practice and accumulated merit. May the virtues and sealing energy woven into its creation reach your heart and your home.